Our first short film about civil engineering company Maaßen got almost 1.5 million hits. The company specialises in earth moving, demolition, transportation, recycling and soil stabilisation. After 2 years, it's high time we paid the Maaßen team another visit. The fleet has changed quite a bit. Our filming starts at a construction site in the Rheinbach area, near Bonn in Germany. All of the vehicles start work on the site at 7 AM. Beforehand, Peter, the foreman, briefs the whole team in order to coordinate the tasks planned for that day. Owner of the civil engineering company, Maaßen, now employs 90 members of staff. They have set up a state-of-the-art logistics centre on the 10-hectare site just next to Motorway 61. Maaßen and his vehicles have been on site for a few weeks now already. They have brought along 2 scrapers, up to 3 dumper trailers, 2 excavators and 2 tracked tractors to move around 160,000 cubic metres of earth. New to the fleet are 2 Case IH quad-track 620s with a maximum engine power of almost 700 horsepower. Maaßen uses the tractors, which are currently the strongest series-built tractors in the world, to pull massive scrapers. When fully loaded, this tractor and trailer combination weighs up to 115 tons. The soil is scraped off and transported to the other side of the construction site to be re-embedded by team member Max. As a standalone vehicle for moving earth, the quad-track scraper combination with an output of up to 250 cubic metres an hour would be hard to outperform. Now let's take a look in Maaßen's workshop, at their base in Sindorf. There are 4 mechanics here to take care of maintenance and repairs on 48 lorries, 12 excavators and 12 tractors. 1 or 2 of their own constructions have also been made here. The last welding seams are just being added to the 4th scraper combination. This 17 cubic metre giant was originally attached to a scraper tractor unit and used in the army. Maaßen bought the vehicles second-hand at an auction, then optimised and converted them for his own purposes. Scrapers of this size are a real unique selling point for the company in this region. Now back to the Rheinbach. The second quad-track is mostly used on this construction site to move the crushed RCL recycled hardcore, which has been processed and supplied by Maaßen. The quad-track scraper combination is fitted with GPS controls so that they can work as precisely as possible. This enables the bucket to be hydraulically controlled to the exact centimetre when distributing and levelling the RCL hardcore. Driver Stefan uses it to embed the hardcore with high precision onto the surface as a base layer. The RCL hardcore mixture is processed by Maaßen at their Haus Forst site using their own mobile crushers. The rubble is crushed and sieved inside the massive machines, and any foreign objects are removed. The crushed hardcore can then be reused as a fill for construction sites. For example, RCL hardcore is often used for construction site roads as well, as you can see from this commercial construction site near Sindorf. Maaßen's lorries deliver the recycled material to the construction site, and on their way back, they transport excavated soil to their new soil depot. Over the next few years, the former Lursfelder Busch sandworks will be completely filled with excavated soil. The D6M chain dozer working in the soil depot is the first dozer that Maaßen bought for the business back in 2000. The 140 horsepower CAT dozer has clocked up 17,000 work hours in the meantime. A trained farm machinery mechanic, Mark Maaßen set up his business in 1993. He started out with a digger from the scrapyard and a tractor from his father, who was a farmer. Today, Maaßen operates a diverse fleet across motorway and commercial construction sites, open-cast mines, airports, and many other smaller construction projects within the Cologne, Kerpen, and Bonn areas. Let's go back now to the large construction site at Rheinbach. This is where one of the fleet's most powerful excavators is at work. The 320 horsepower CAT 336E weighs in at 36 tons. Driver Gerd is moving 2.6 cubic meters of excavated soil using gentle, well-practiced movements on the controls. After almost 30 years in the profession, he's seen his fair share of construction sites. Nowadays, almost all of Maaßen's larger diggers and dozers are fitted with GPS navigation. This high-tech feature can cost up to 80,000 euros when buying the machine, as it did for the CAT D6. The blade is controlled automatically according to the specifications of the terrain ahead. On larger construction projects, the foundations and ground plans for a new building are fed into the vehicle's terminal for the driver and civil engineer. This enables all of the anticipated tasks and earth movements to be coordinated and monitored three-dimensionally across the target area. The soil is stabilized in preparation for construction. Soil replacement, which was the method used previously, is now no longer necessary. This 5-ton mixer is used to mix a lime-based binding agent into the soil up to 40 centimeters deep. Around 8,000 square meters of ground is prepared in this way every day. And so, our fun day of filming with civil engineering company Maaßen comes to an end. You can see lots of exciting videos of farm machinery in use worldwide at www.farmworld.tv. And don't forget to like or subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on any new short films.